A highly speculative and controversial claim has emerged surrounding the discovery of an unusual artifact during excavations in the Egyptian desert. According to Fringe theories, the find has been linked to what some describe as an extraterrestrial Egyptologist, suggesting that non-human intelligence may have played a role in ancient Egypt's cultural development. While mainstream archaeology has firmly rejected such assertions due to the absence of credible scientific evidence, the story continues to captivate popular imagination. The purported artifact, whose origin and function remain ambiguous, is said to bear symbols and features not typically associated with known Egyptian archaeological contexts.